Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable or disable the automatic node into your Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable or disable automatic node into your node modes, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet at very first and then just simply unlock it, and then this home page will appear. Now you just simply have to go over your settings into the top left corner. Now after going there, you will get to see this preferences option. Tap to preferences and then you will get the option of node settings. Tap to node settings and then you just simply have to select any of the Ether or Bitcoin from here. Just simply select the Bitcoin or Ether for which you would like to change the node setting. For example, I'm selecting Bitcoin, and then as you can see here, it is set into automatic mode. Now in order to disable it, just simply tap into the toggle for once and it will be set into default node. And now you can select nodes from here. It only have one node, so I cannot actually change it, but if it has other nodes you can select them. Now in order to enable again, just simply enable this toggle for automatic mode. This way you can easily change the mode into your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.